Jeannie Marie with Artistic Pours and More, and I wanted to show you some more things I've been working on. I've been doing a little bit of wire wrapping. If you remember, I made some of those resin pieces with the little hearts. Well, I had some problems with those. I wasn't happy over the fact that the back came out cloudy, so you couldn't see that real well. The front or the top was pretty. It came out shiny, but I didn't like it. I did start to do a little wire wrapping, but I'm not fond of it, so I might be working with that a little bit more. I do like these for sure. I think these are really pretty. Love the way the hearts show up through there. I even like the little bubbles. I think the bubbles are really pretty in there too. Super pretty, and I like that. And then there was these two little ones, which are adorable. Right there and there. And I like this one too. Very pretty. So I probably will be working on those. However, I did do this little porcelain. It's actually a puffy heart. You can see how wide it is. It's a puffy porcelain black heart. And I did a little bit of wire wrapping. I haven't done it in a while. And I've never done it a lot. Just I have done it in the past, but not a lot. So I was just playing around with it. So I wanted to show you what I did. I made these. Wasn't much to the heart. It was just a black puffy shiny porcelain heart. So I just added some decoration to it. And I wire wrapped that. And there's the back. And then I remember having some of me, I had ordered, I think it was from Stone Mountain Gems. I had ordered some Italian onyx hearts, which are right here. So this was the first one that I did the other day, and I actually did it while I was at the flea market. It was very slow, but I was still like, not happy. Too gaudy looking. Used too big of a wire here. I used the 18-inch and wrapped it with the 20, and I just don't like how gaudy looking that is, so I'll probably remove that. But since then, I have made this one, which I really like a lot. This one is so pretty and much more delicate. So I wrapped this one in 20 gauge and then used the 24 gauge around the outside of the wires. This is actually wrapped around 4 wires, the 24 gauge, and then I bring it up and around and make the bail. And then I did some decoration on the top, because you can see that the top is not near as colorful as the bottom, even though it is very pretty. It's a very pretty Italian onyx heart. I don't know if you can see how pretty that is. But it came out really pretty, and it's very delicate looking. And the bail came out nice. I'm really happy with this one. Actually, I wore it yesterday. And this one actually has a hole right up at the top, right here. So instead of using that to actually make it a regular heart and put it on a chain, I did the wire wrapping and then just brought the wire through the back and brought it through the hole and then made this decoration right in the front, which also helps hold it together. So it's actually quite secure in here. And there's this. Very pretty. Alrighty, so I wanted to share that with you. I hope you can see that well. It's so pretty. I love Italian onyx. Gorgeous. So thank you for joining me, and we'll see you soon. God bless, be safe, and be happy. Bye-bye now.